This is SPL's Nux vomica LN potency. It is a homeopathic medicine which is an effective remedy for problems in digestive tract. This medicine is regarded as the greatest of polychrist because it is recommended for most of the symptoms corresponding to the commonest disease. It is a first line of medicine that is given for symptoms related to conditions of modern life. It is seen that a typical patient of this medicine is thin, active, irritable and nervous. It has analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties. Key ingredients are Nux vomica plant extract and lactose. It helps in treating nausea and indigestion, reduces sour burping, soothes heartburn, cures indigestion and bloating, treats constipation. It used to cure addiction of excess tea or coffee.